Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is ELK Stack and how we can download Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. The ELK Stack is also known as Elastic Stack, comprises of three open source tools: Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. When integrated, these tools create a solution for centralized log data aggregation, management, and querying, applicable on both on-premises and cloud-based IT environments. For cloud security, fundamentals of cloud security, ELK Stack is good for centralized log data aggregation. Let me share the screen of the browser. Just go to elastic.co downloads. You can see Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Logstash. Okay. Just click on download. It will open to a different page. For Windows, we need. Okay, let me click on for Windows. The latest release is 8.1.1.3. Okay. In the same token, let me download Kibana. So I want it for Windows. Let me click on Windows. Now, yeah, it is also downloading. Elasticsearch is 390 MB, that is 8.11.3 version. Kibana is 428 MB. Let me also download Logstash. So I need for Windows platform. Let me click on Windows. So yeah, it is downloading for Windows 336 MB, 428 MB, and 390 MB. So in the next video, we will see how to configure the Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Logstash. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.